Okay, 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 okay. Ah! This is the drone.
Huwag mo kasi pala.
Picture,
Dapat hindi
picture.
makita kamay ha. Aray. Yan. Yes. 3, 2, 1.
Smile.
Atras, abanti yan oy. Sorry.
Instead, going up, 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 back. Hindi, ang ganda doon ga. Yung anong resort yan doon?
Saan?
Puro kaniyugan. Ang daming niyog.
Banda?
Oo. Doon si Manang Duna eh. Si Duna at si Arwin doon. Ewan ko kung anong, oo. Ewan ko kung anong resort yan doon.
Sa kabila.
Puro niyog. Oo. Maganda. Ala, 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 ala. The cutest dog ever. Oh my God. Is that a stray dog?
Yes.
Wow. Oh no. It's the cutest. Oop, oop. Oh. Yeah. Your Crocs over there.
Doon.
Ah, doon. Yung drone niya, malayo. Oh. Oh. Wow.
Ito yun.
Doon na.
Ito?
Moon, Uganda. Oo. Ang ganda. Wow. Ewan ko kung anong resort yan doon. It's beautiful. Ay, ano pala sabi ni Tuto, iniikutan tayo ng dagat.
Oo.
Oh. Yeah, this resort is surrounded by the water.
Yan.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, that is nice. I did not know that. So we can just walk around.
Yes.
But it takes so long, right?
After 10 hours, maybe.
10 hours to walk? Oh no.
Welcome back here.
Oh wow. So this island, you can walk around.
Kulang na lang ano na eh. Kulang na lang sa
Right? Yeah.
Basta hindi naman naliligo na.
So this island is, when you walk around, we are surrounded with water because we are in the middle of the sea. So that is really awesome. Yeah. Oh no! The water will bring that in the middle. Yeah, so it's take time, I think. Take time to walk around. Wow. So we are surrounded with water. This island. It's pretty cool. And the water is really clean. So it's really takes so long in order to walk to the island. Wow. It's amazing.